This one somehow was making the rounds on my news feed. Maybe because people secretly fantasize about doing something like this themselves. Some workers, MTA workers that work in Grand Central Terminal, they built a man cave, a hidden man cave, hidden behind the tracks, the subway tracks. And during their work hours, they would creep over there, and inside of this hidden man cave, they had all kinds of cool stuff that you would want if you were trying to slack off, I guess, or chill, or have a chill spot at work. They had inside of here a futon. They had a flat panel TV. They had, I believe, some streaming equipment. They had, there was an open beer discovered. And apparently there was even some fitness, some workout equipment they found in there. And it got discovered. And of course, once it was discovered, all the guys that were being accused, they denied that this was their man cave.
Uh-huh.
And then they took the fingerprints. And the fingerprints were everywhere. Oh, man. They checked hundreds of doors and hundreds of offices to make sure there's no more rooms like this. They found nothing else. 3 MTA employees denied having ever been in the room, but they did leave fingerprints behind. They also left behind receipts, streaming devices, personal calendars, and exercise equipment. So like it was a dead giveaway anyways, even if you denied it by the looks of it. But people are upset, actually. People are saying, okay, look, that's an MTA employee. They're slacking off. They're chilling. They're supposed to be on the shift at the moment.
Yeah.
So some people are upset about it, but it's kind of a funny story. I think everybody fantasized about having this little hidden fort.
It's kind of like a treehouse for adults, right?
Yes.
Yeah.